Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into Google Home and pair Matter smart plugs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your device and locate the Google Home app. If you haven't installed the app, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, tap the Google Home app icon to open it. You will be prompted to sign in to your Google account if you aren't already signed in. Enter your email address and tap Next. Input your password and tap Next again. Once you're logged in, you will see your Google Home dashboard. To add your Matter smart plug, tap on the plus icon in the top left corner. Select Setup Device from the drop-down menu. Choose New Device to begin the setup process. Make sure your Matter smart plug is plugged in and powered on. Follow the app prompts to select your home if you have multiple homes set up. Your app will search for nearby devices. Once your Matter smart plug appears in the list, select it. You may need to scan a QR code or enter a setup code found on the plug or its packaging. After successfully detecting the device, follow the prompts to complete the pairing process. You might be asked to assign the plug to a room, so choose one that fits. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation that your smart plug is linked. Your Matter smart plug is now ready to use within the Google Home app. Explore the app to see options for scheduling and controlling your smart plug. Congratulations, you've successfully logged into Google Home and paired your Matter smart plug. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.